Kamalo, what up? Don't enjoy it, man. My rap style sick though, crazy with the bars. Call me prison nigga, real nigga-ish. From Kamala, dog. Now I'm chasing paper nigga like a fucking cater. Dollar lived in the old me, dog. 30 years in the struggle, woman and a dog. Patience is a virtue, but I like to ball. Tell the body future, God, show me crystal ball. Thinking I'm a fool, man, you thinking I'm a fool, man. You reaching for my goose, dog, you reaching for my watch. Take the saka na le grind cause buy gnanya. I'm a cherry, my born boy, I a color. Substitute for them, we can get a different chick. I hit it from I get a different petty kind of dude to make decisions like a fool. I'll be stuck on stool like the glue walking on the moon. Call me Michael Jackson, pedophile flow, man. Wanna battle me, nigga, you better get some practice. See, like God, the only future, boy. Yes, I'm your actress. I keep it real, nigga, with them snakes so pretentious. Came from the dirt, straight from the trenches. Then the shell we bench number 10 when they score. They said I'm getting thin now, only eating maize meal when the days are dark. Niggas stay caved in, diamond in the dirt. You claiming that you found me, I'm one of a kind. I feel like custom made, bro. I'm heartless with my heart, man. These girls can't be fooling me. Business transaction, funny malin, fully. I'm fully castle lightning, over to fully flight. Fucking true general, say my nigga like it. Pass the pussy on to my nigga like a blunty. I stay out the mood, cause these girls wanna stick like glue. Stevie Wonder with these bitches, I ain't seen none of that. Nigga number 2 with PSJ, you take the beat. Pray, work hard a lot these days, chinky. Tabayami straight, Jengo Brenda, chinky. Classic fucking shit, I've been this rap, go Lila Richie. Batum to look a capital in the bonus kitty. Now a nigga broke, you can call it this skin. Blame it on the jiggy, hot food, but it's sticky. Story hasn't ended, my nigga, ungani creepy. Baby cherry, I'm pulling dollar in on CB. Jengo DJ Khaled, nigga gonna win. I'ma keep it real till the death of me, I'm ill. Gotta make dough now, that's my stress pill. The marijuana purple haze, call it Dr. Phil. Grade 13, I'm on the class on my own. Kamalo got it locked, shit, dog, I'm on the zone. Who's the king? It's like the Game of Thrones. I'm putting niggas in the stew, dog, I'm on the zone. I be getting shit done, dog, I'm on the phone. Nigga about to blow. Kamalo, what up?
Yeah.